Multi-charts lets you review charts side by side using your saved chart settings and strategy overlays. It's the quickest way to visually confirm setups after you've filtered a list because you can compare structure across dozens of tickers in seconds. You can review up to 49 charts on one screen, and every tile uses the same visuals and logic as your regular alpha charts. There are a few ways to open multi-charts. From the ticker screener, check a few tickers. Or select all, then click on the Open in Multi-Charts button. From the Group screener, select one or more industries or themes. And then open multi-charts to see all companies inside. From the Group viewer, just one click loads charts for every company in that group. And finally, you can also open multi-charts for your watch list. Once you have your watch list open, do a right-click on any of the symbols and click on Open Watch List in multi-charts. Once you're in, the grid slider controls the layout. You can go from a single chart view all the way up to a 49 charts grid. Let's try 5 columns and 4 rows, which would show us 20 charts in one page. Or let's change this to 3 columns and 2 rows to see 6 charts per page. If your list is bigger than the grid size, multi-charts automatically breaks it into pages. You can flip pages with the left and right arrows. Jump with page numbers. Or use your left and right keyboard arrows to move fast. Up top, the toolbar works just like the main Alpha Charts toolbar, but it applies changes to every chart in the grid at once. Toggle overlays like AI Alpha Strategy. Moving averages. And alpha indicators. Hide axis labels to save space. And once you have your preferred settings, save them. Or reset back to default. You can also download or copy an image of the grid in your clipboard. And if you want everything aligned, multi-zoom lets you sync, zoom, and pan across all charts. This is perfect for comparing the same time frame or the same structural area across your whole list. One of the most powerful features of multi-charts is sorting the grid by any metric. Hit Sort By on the top right and search for any metric you care about, like risk-reward, relative volume, RSI divergence, or any alpha rating. Then, once you select your metric, choose the sort direction to bring the most relevant charts to the top. The metric value also shows on each chart tile, so you can scan visually while keeping the key number in view. From any chart tile, you can take the next steps. Add a symbol to your watch list. Open the full alpha chart. Or jump into the ticker viewer for a complete 360-degree dive.